Hey everybody, welcome to another segment of The Nature of Things. Today we're going to talk about the sun. Okay, now if we look at the Bible, the Bible describes the God or Jesus as the light of the world and our risen Savior. Okay, just going to use a couple examples. I think the Bible describes God 3 times, if I'm not mistaken, but also talks about Jesus as being the Son of God. So we have the light of the world. Okay, the sun is the light of the world. It provides us with light during the daytime. Our risen Savior. Well, of course, the sun is our risen Savior. If the sun didn't rise, we'd all be dead. Okay? Those are just two little examples I wanted to start off with there. Now, let's go back even further. Okay? Let's go back even further to Egyptian times. Now, Egyptians had several names for the sun, all depending on where the sun was in the sky at the time. Okay? So, when the sun was rising, it was called Horus. Okay? And we're just going to stick with the rising part right now. We're not going to talk about any of their names because this is enough right here. So, from Horus, we get several English words. Okay? From Horus, we get hours. And that was done simply by taking the U in Horus and putting it beside the O to give us hours, the English word. Okay? Well, what hour is it? Okay, well, where's Horus? Well, Horus is on the horizon. Okay? That's another word derived from Horus. All right. And funny enough, here in Ontario, we have a company, a utilities company called Horizon Utilities. Okay, and it's no coincidence that they provide us with our energy at a great cost, I might add. So, from Horus, we get hours. From hours, we get horizon. Okay? More sun talk coming up. So let's go a little bit further out. Okay? We used... Now, if the Bible is talking about the sun being Jesus, Son of God is Jesus, then let's talk about this. The sun is the hottest solar body in our solar system. Okay? In our solar system, this is the main dude. This is the atom, the atum, okay, as the Egyptians would call another word, the atum, okay? And it's the hottest, and it's Jesus. Well, what is the coldest solar body in our system? Well, it's Saturn, okay? Saturn is the coldest dude. He's as cold as ice. Okay? And we're just going to have Saturn being the rings around our poorly drawn planet there. He is the coldest. So he's obviously Satan. Right? That's where the Bible gets this mythological creature called Satan. It only makes sense, right? He's the opposite, so he's got to be Satan. Saturn's got to be Satan. Okay? And what else do we get from the sun? What else? What else do we get from these beautiful solar bodies dancing above us? Well, from the sun, we get the Christian or Catholic day of worship being Sunday. Well, would you look at that? And the opposite of the sun, we said, was Saturn, because he's the coldest dude. We get the Jewish day of worship, which is Saturday. Okay, so you have Son of God being the Christian Catholic Catholicism day of rest, and then you have Saturn, Saturday, being the Jewish day of rest. I hope you enjoyed this segment of the nature of things. I'm looking forward to all the comments that are left right below the video. Thanks for stopping by, and hopefully we have some more interesting discussions on the nature of things, the future shows. Hey, take care of each other.